Welcome to a journey that will take us across the cosmos. Today, we delve into the astonishing size of the universe, an expanse so vast it boggles the mind and challenges our very understanding of the cosmos. Picture this, if you will, a realm so extensive that its estimated diameter stretches across a staggering 93 billion light-years. That's the observable universe, the part we can detect from our tiny blue planet. Yet, the true enormity of the universe might be even greater, possibly extending over 7 trillion light-years. Imagine that, a space so vast that light, the fastest thing we know of, would take 7 trillion years to traverse from one end to the other. But what does this mean? Well, it's a testament to the grandeur of the universe. It's about understanding that the cosmos is not just a collection of stars and galaxies, but a vast, almost infinite expanse that holds countless mysteries and secrets yet to be discovered. And as we stand on the brink of this cosmic abyss, we are humbled by the sheer scale of it all. We are but tiny specks in this grand tapestry of existence, dwarfed by the immensity of the cosmos. This is the stage upon which the drama of the universe unfolds, an arena so grand that it defies comprehension. But don't be daunted. Instead, let this vastness ignite your curiosity, fuel your imagination, and inspire your sense of wonder. As we continue, remember, we're only scratching the surface of the enormity of our universe. What lies beyond what we can observe? That's the next question we tackle. As we embark on this cosmic journey, we find ourselves pondering the vastness of the universe. It's an expanse so vast, it's beyond our current observational abilities. The universe we can see, the observable universe, is estimated to be a whopping 93 billion light-years in diameter. But what lies beyond that? The answer, my fellow cosmic voyagers, is as awe-inspiring as it is mind-boggling. Some theories suggest that the true size of the universe could be up to 7 trillion light-years. That's right, 7 trillion. To put it into perspective, if we were to travel at the speed of light, it would take us 7 trillion years to traverse the universe end to end. So vast is this cosmic ocean that it defies comprehension. But why is it that we can only observe a tiny fraction of this colossal cosmic expanse? The reason is the speed of light. Light takes time to travel from the farthest corners of the universe to us. The farther away an object is, the longer its light takes to reach us. So when we look at the stars, we're not just looking at distant objects, we're looking back in time. And yet, despite this limitation, we continue to push the boundaries of our understanding, peering ever further into the cosmic abyss with our telescopes and spacecraft. The universe is not just a place, it's a story, a cosmic narrative written in the language of physics and cosmology. Each discovery, each observation, reveals a new chapter of this grand tale. As we venture further into the cosmos, we find that the universe is not just larger than we thought, but more mysterious too. Its true size remains an enigma, its vastness a challenge to our perception. But isn't that what makes this journey so fascinating? The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. The universe's true size remains a mystery, with its vastness challenging our perception. The universe is not only vast, but also dynamic. Let's explore its possible fates. The universe as we know it is constantly evolving, and with this evolution, we find ourselves pondering over its ultimate destiny. There are several theories that scientists have proposed. Let's delve into these possibilities. One of these theories suggests the universe may continue to expand eternally. Picture the universe as a balloon that keeps inflating, its space stretching farther and farther apart. Galaxies would drift away from each other, the cosmic background radiation would cool, and eventually, the universe would become a cold, dark, and lonely place. This brings us to the theory of the Big Freeze. As the universe expands, it also cools. Over time, if the expansion doesn't slow down or stop, the universe would cool to a point where no life as we know it could exist. The stars would burn out, galaxies would fade away, and all would be left in a state of extremely low temperatures. Then there's the theory of the Big Crunch. This is essentially the reverse of the Big Bang, picturing the universe in a state of contraction rather than expansion. The galaxies would rush towards each other, temperatures would rise astronomically, and ultimately the universe would collapse into a singularity, a point of infinite density. Lastly, we have the Big Rip. This theory is based on the concept of dark energy. If the concentration of dark energy in the universe increases, it could rip apart everything from galaxies and stars to atoms and subatomic particles. But remember, these are just theories. They are based on our current understanding of the universe and are subject to change as we learn more about the cosmos. These are just theories, and the true fate of the universe remains uncertain. Infinity is a concept that often comes up when discussing the universe. But what does it really mean? Well, let's try to unravel this. In mathematics, infinity is a quantity greater than any assignable quantity or countable number. But when we apply this concept to the universe, things get a bit more complex. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean. You gaze out into the horizon, and it seems like the water stretches out indefinitely beyond what your eyes can perceive. That's something akin to infinity. But the universe isn't an ocean. It's an expanse that isn't just wide, but also deep and high, and it extends in every direction you could possibly think of, and then some more. The universe doesn't end at the horizon of our vision. It continues, expanding endlessly, filled with galaxies, stars, and cosmic wonders that are far beyond our current ability to see or comprehend. Some estimates suggest that the observable universe might be 93 billion light-years in diameter. And what lies beyond that? Could it be 7 trillion light-years? Or perhaps it's infinite? The truth is, our human minds struggle to fully comprehend the concept of infinity. We live in a world defined by boundaries and limits. We measure our lives in years, our journeys in miles, our experiences in moments. But the universe? It doesn't adhere to our human-made constructs of time and space. Its vastness, its complexities, they challenge our perception, pushing the boundaries of what we consider as known or knowable. Yet this is what makes the universe so fascinating. It's a constant reminder that there's so much more to learn, to explore, to understand. It's a testament to our curiosity, our drive to push past the boundaries, to reach out into the unknown, to seek out what lies beyond the edge of our understanding. Infinity, in the context of the universe, isn't just about size or space. It's about the endless possibilities, the infinite mysteries waiting to be solved, the boundless journey of discovery. It's about the limitless capacity of the human spirit to question, to learn, to grow. Infinity in the universe is a concept that continues to baffle us. And yet, it's this very bafflement that fuels our quest for knowledge, our journey through the cosmos. Because in the end, isn't the pursuit of the infinite what drives us to explore the universe? While we may not know the universe's exact size or fate, we can speculate about its future. This speculation has led to the proposal of various apocalyptic scenarios, each more fascinating than the last. Consider the Big Freeze, a scenario where the universe continues to expand, and over an unimaginably long period, stars burn out, galaxies fade, and all matter ultimately decays. In this vast, cold, dark universe, life as we know it would be impossible. But remember, this is just speculation, and it's unlikely to happen for billions of years. Another theory is the Big Crunch. Here, the universe's expansion slows, stops, and then reverses. Galaxies, stars, even atoms would be pulled back into a single point, a singularity, mirroring the universe's birth in the Big Bang. But again, this is a theoretical scenario that, if it were to occur, is billions of years in our future. The Big Rip is another riveting concept. This theory suggests that not only is the universe expanding, but that the rate of expansion is increasing. Eventually, this could tear apart galaxies, stars, planets, and even atoms. Yet, like the Big Freeze and the Big Crunch, this scenario is billions of years away, if it happens at all. Each of these theories, while fascinating, is just that, a theory. They're based on our current understanding of the universe, an understanding which is constantly evolving. As we continue to explore, to question, to learn, our theories might change, be refined, or even be replaced by new ones. So while we might not know for certain what the future holds for our vast, mysterious universe, we can be sure of one thing. The exploration, the learning, the discovery, it will all continue. For it's in our nature to look up at the stars and wonder, to dream, to question. The future of the universe, much like its size, remains a mystery. As we've seen, the universe is staggeringly vast. But what does this mean for us? Imagine you're standing on a beach looking out over the vast ocean. Now imagine that each grain of sand under your feet represents an entire galaxy in the universe. Even then, we're only beginning to grasp the sheer scale of the cosmos. The universe is so vast that it makes our home planet, Earth, seem incredibly small in comparison. Let's put this into perspective. If the universe were the size of Earth, then Earth itself would be smaller than a grain of sand, barely perceptible to the naked eye. This scale is staggering, and it can make us feel insignificant, but it also gives us a sense of awe and wonder, a realization of the grandeur of the cosmos and our place within it. We're a part of this vast universe, a part of its unfolding story, and yet, despite our smallness, we've been able to gaze out into the universe, to learn about it, to understand it. We've sent spacecraft beyond the boundaries of our solar system. We've peered into the distant reaches of the universe with our telescopes, and we've begun to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. This should give us a sense of achievement, a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. Our smallness in the universe doesn't diminish us, but rather, it elevates us. It highlights our capability to comprehend the incomprehensible, to reach out and touch the stars despite our tiny presence in the vast cosmic arena. With all this talk about the universe's size, you might be wondering, what's my place in all this? Well, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale of it all. The observable universe is estimated at around 93 billion light-years in diameter. That's a number so vast it's almost impossible to truly comprehend. And yet, here we are, tiny specks on a small planet in an average galaxy, trying to make sense of it all. And despite our size, we're anything but insignificant. We are the explorers, the astronomers, the scientists, and the dreamers who seek to understand this massive cosmic stage we find ourselves on. With the aid of technology, we've managed to reach out into the cosmos, to touch the moon, to send probes beyond our solar system, and to capture images of distant galaxies. We've even started to unravel the mysteries of the universe's birth and its potential fate. Now you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but I'm not an astronaut or a scientist. What does this have to do with me? But consider this. Every atom in your body was once part of a star. You are, quite literally, made of stardust. You are a part of this universe, just as much as any star, planet, or galaxy. And while you may not be launching rockets or peering through a telescope, you're still a part of this grand cosmic journey. By simply seeking to understand, by asking questions, by looking up at the night sky with wonder, you're participating in the greatest adventure there is. Remember, we're not just in the universe is in us. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself, to quote the great Carl Sagan. So no matter how small we may seem in the grand scheme of things, never underestimate the power of the human mind and its capacity to understand. Though we may be small, we are not insignificant. Our capacity for understanding is what makes us truly remarkable. Our journey through the universe doesn't end here. You see, the universe is a book that never closes. It's a symphony that plays on, with countless measures yet to be written. It's a canvas, perpetually being painted with the broad strokes of cosmic events and the fine details of individual interactions. Every day, scientists are adding new pages to that book, composing new measures for that symphony, and adding new colors to that cosmic canvas. The size of the universe, a topic that has fascinated humanity since we first looked up at the stars, is under continuous scrutiny and research. Theories are proposed, tested, refined, and sometimes discarded as we inch closer to understanding the true scale of our cosmic home. We've come a long way from the days when we believed the Earth was the center of the universe, but we still have so much to learn. The universe is like a puzzle, and we're still finding the pieces. Every discovery, every observation, every question we ask brings us one step closer to completing the picture. So what can you do? Well, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep asking questions. The universe is a classroom with endless lessons to teach, and each one of us is a student. Whether you're gazing up at the night sky, reading the latest scientific research, or simply pondering the mysteries of the cosmos, you're participating in this grand journey of discovery. Remember, understanding the size of the universe isn't just about numbers and measurements. It's about perspective. It's about realizing our place in the cosmos, appreciating the vastness of what exists beyond our planet, and recognizing our responsibility to preserve and protect our small corner of the universe. The universe is vast and full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The journey continues. As we conclude our journey, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. We've traversed the vast expanse of the cosmos, from the observable universe to the unseen realms beyond. We've discovered that the universe is truly immense, estimated to be 93 billion light-years in diameter. Yet this is just the observable universe. The true size may be even larger, possibly reaching up to 7 trillion light-years. Our journey has revealed the uncertain fate of the universe. It may expand forever, end in a big freeze, recollapse in a big crunch, or experience a big rip. Yet, these are merely theories, and the universe continues to surprise and confound us. We've pondered the concept of infinity, a notion so immense and complex that it challenges our human perception. Yet it is this very concept that underscores the vastness of the universe and our place within it. Looking to the future, we've explored various apocalyptic scenarios, each more astounding than the last. Yet these are unlikely to occur for billions of years, allowing us plenty of time to further our understanding and perhaps even find ways to avert these cosmic catastrophes. Finally, we've reflected on what all this means for us as humans. The universe is vast, almost beyond comprehension, but it is not beyond our reach. We have the capacity to learn, to explore, to understand. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. Remember, the universe is vast, but our capacity for understanding is limitless. We've reached the end of our cosmic journey. The universe, vast and ever-expanding, has filled our minds with wonder and our hearts with curiosity. Like a book with infinite pages, every star, every galaxy, every light year reveals a new story, a new mystery to unravel. This journey, though vast and mind-boggling, is but a glimpse into the grandeur of the cosmos. Our exploration has taken us from the observable universe, a sphere of 93 billion light-years in diameter, to theories of an even larger universe, possibly spanning 7 trillion light-years. We've touched upon the uncertain fate of the universe, whether it will expand indefinitely, freeze over, collapse back into itself, or experience a cataclysmic rip. We've pondered over the concept of infinity, a concept so immense and complex it challenges our human perception. We've gazed into the future, a future so distant and alien it's almost impossible to comprehend. Yet, despite the complexities and uncertainties, one thing remains clear. Our curiosity, our thirst for knowledge, is as boundless as the universe itself. And so, we urge you, don't let this be the end of your journey. Let it be the spark that ignites your curiosity. Let it be the first step in a lifelong quest for knowledge, a quest that takes you beyond the stars, beyond the galaxies, beyond the confines of our earthly existence. Thank you for joining us on this journey, for opening your minds to the vastness of the universe. We hope you found this exploration as intriguing and enlightening as we have. Remember, the universe is not just out there, it's also within us. We are all made of star stuff, bound by the same cosmic laws, part of the same cosmic story. If you enjoyed this journey and want to learn more, please subscribe for more videos. Until next time, keep looking up and keep exploring.